The battery, the power to the engine go. Without it, well, you're stuck. And what makes your vehicle batteries last 3 to 5 years. When it will have problems starting the car, attempt to compensate for the lower battery quality. How to know if your battery needs replaced. A key indicator is the indicator light, but other things will be difficulty in starting the car, as well as a general sluggishness. One way to check if your battery is good to do a volt check. According to experts, the battery should have 12 volts when it off. Let us go into more details here. I mentioned general sluggishness, but the focus is on the engine. If it is not getting the speed you normally expect, checking the battery is a good first step. Also, looking at the battery itself. 3 key things to look for: bloat, corrosion, and stink. If the battery looks bloated, bigger than it should be, it needs to be checked. Look at the connections. If there is any form of leakage there, corrosion may be involved. And lastly, how does it smell? If it stinks, get it checked immediately. If all that seems to be in order, consider when the last time the battery was replaced. If it has been over 4 to 5 years, replace the battery. Do not consider if it looks all right. It needs to be replaced. If you have any questions or suspect you need to change the battery, take your vehicle to Brampton Chrysler and we will look at it. Thank you and have a great day.